Hey, thanks for joining us for this WKBN.com weather update. I'm meteorologist Matt Jones. We want to give you the latest on what we're seeing throughout the valley. First, we're going to start with the graphics of the clouds and radar. You can see here throughout the area we are beginning to see those snow bands dissipate. That's the good news. We're also keeping a close eye on what's happening to the lakes out just to the northeast of us. Now, if you can see over Lake Michigan, Michigan, as well as all the other lakes, you can see all the clouds are beginning to dissipate and all that snow squalls are beginning to dissipate as well. That's some drier air that's going to be making its way into the valley and cut off those snow squalls. So what we're seeing throughout the valley currently, a few flakes here and there, but nothing too major. What the issue is temperatures dropping back down into freezing temperatures and freezing the roadways. We'll get to that in just a second. Snow depth we're seeing throughout the valley. A lot of us saw at least an inch. So we're looking Mercer County, Trumbull County up here. That's around an inch of snow. Some isolated spots could see up to 2 to 3 inches. But the main snow that fell out here in Lawrence County, all the way in Mahoning, and even into Columbiana County. Some places in Columbiana County have reported upwards of 4 inches of snow. So that's the area and the snow depth that we're continuing to see. But the problem is the rain. So most of this is falling in the form of snow. We see that accumulation rate just around Youngstown. This is the last 24 hours alone. We're looking at 0.3 inches of rain that's falling, but it fell in the form of snow, which is why in this particular area we saw upwards of 3 inches. Also, we talked about Columbiana County, that part just below Lisbon. We're looking at 4 inches. That's the liquid accumulation that fell. That would equivalent to around 4 inches of snow. So the problem is not only the snow depth that we've seen, but also the ice. We're seeing temperatures 30 degrees right now. The problem is during the day we'd have all that traffic driving all over the roads, dissipating and melting that snow on the roads. But when temperatures dip below freezing, it's going to start to freeze, especially on those bridges. So tonight we're looking at temperatures right at 26 degrees, cloudy, chance of snow. Also, look at the winds, 10 to 20 miles an hour plus in some locations, making things treacherous out there. Be very careful if you're going to be on the roadways. We are seeing 30% chance of an isolated snow event and just a shower that's going to lead until tomorrow morning. So because we're not going to get above freezing again until late morning tomorrow, these icy conditions are going to continue, especially on bridges as we get into the day tomorrow. Here's a quick look at your 7-day forecast. Good news is, though, after Monday, we are expecting those temperatures to warm up, not seeing any chance of winter weather, though we are seeing the chance of rain come back into our forecast. Wednesday, high of 44, showers coming back in Wednesday evening to Thursday morning. That's going to be off and on throughout the day for our Turkey Day, unfortunately. Then Friday afternoon into Saturday morning, the second chance of rain with a slight chance of snow as well on our Saturday forecast. And for all of the latest, you can catch us right back here at WKBN at 10 o'clock, and we'll be back at 11 o'clock on 27, as well as we'll keep you updated right here on WKBN.com. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you back here at 10 o'clock.